Oftentimes when working with assemblies, there are many moving parts and therefore lots of degrees of freedom. With so many degrees of freedom, these assemblies can be challenging to manipulate. This is especially true the farther away you get from the fixed components. Users may fix components or add additional mates to lock down certain motions just to get their assembly in the required position. They even create configurations to control the various positions of the assembly, but managing these configurations can be tedious. SOLIDWORKS 2016 addresses these challenges by introducing the mate controller. Let's look at how it works. First, you gather all the mates that you want to control. The supported mates are angle, distance, limit angle, limit distance, slot, and width. These mates in this assembly have been named to make them easier to recognize. The last mate in the list is a limit mate from the gripper subassembly. Once you gather the mates, you start to create positions for the assembly. In this example, we've already created some of our positions. You can see that we have a home position, then we position the robot over the object, then down to pick it up, then close the jaw, and lift the object. Let's add some more positions to place the object. These positions can be given descriptive names if you want, and then you start to manipulate the individual mates to position the assembly. Limit mates can be manipulated with the slider or the spin boxes. Lock icons are provided to unlock mates so that those parts can be positioned graphically on the screen. Once we're satisfied with that position, we can update to save that position and create more. Next, we'll lower the arm to where the object will be placed. With these mates unlocked, the arm can be moved on screen. Then we'll twist the forearm and position the wrist. Adding another position, the gripper mate can be opened to release the object. Finally, let's return to the home position and create a final assembly position. Now that we have all the positions to represent how the robot should move, we can easily switch between them. But it doesn't stop there. SOLIDWORKS can calculate the transition from position to position to give you a complete understanding of the motion of the assembly. There's also a slider bar at the bottom to allow you to manually run through the range of motion. To make communication with others easier, these can be saved to an AVI file, and if you have PhotoView 360 loaded, they can be rendered as well. To take it a step further, this mate controller motion can be imported into SOLIDWORKS Animator. Here you can add additional components or modify the key points, or run a motion simulation using motors to extract kinematic information. The new mate controller in SOLIDWORKS 2016 is sure to keep your designs moving along.